We're at Dover Docks. We've been here for probably about 40 minutes, just nose to tail traffic. We've filtered through an awful lot of it, but once you get through onto the actual docks you can't. So yeah, this is my first time in about 20 years actually being on a ferry, and it's my first time ever riding onto a ferry. It's going to be interesting. We've just gone through the passport bit, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I won't bore you with all the traffic, so I'll speak to you in a bit. Oh my dear God, that was a bit of a faff. Now we're just trying to find what lane we need to be in. Apparently this one that's very full. Oh shit, and he's down. Hold on. Are you okay? Paul, are you okay? What happened? Oh. Are you alright? Are you okay? Ow. All good? Yeah. Right, do I wait until there's a clear run to get up? What? Do I wait until there's a clear run to get up? Thank you. Oh, well, I'm glad I didn't have to stop on that top bit. I think that was the bit I was fearing the most, to be honest with you. Oh, glad to get off this bike. My arse is as numb as, well, numb. Oh, well, this is a little bit more unexpected. I was not expecting to have to. Oh dear. Keep going, 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 keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Whoa. Oh. Oh, fuck. Alright, so Paul's just told me to get off the bike, so he will sort it out for me. Oh. Ow!
Right.
Yeah. Oh, bugger, it's hot. There we go, and that's the girls on the ferry. See you all in France.